So this is a rough cut piece of cypress that we're planing down to get smooth for a column that we're building inside of a kitchen. It's gonna be decorative. Okay. So this is how this piece of cypress came out, straight from the mill, rough.
Very rough. Okay.
And now we're planing it down so nice and smooth, and it's gonna take a pretty stain.
So you can see that fuzz when it's rough cut like that from the mill.
So now we're just going through and ripping them all the same and then lowering it down as we go. That way the consistency of the board stays, they're all the same.
Yeah.
Width.
So it's going to smooth it out. So is this one, this is one that's been planed, right?
Yep.
And you can look and see now how smooth that is.
Flip this one over. These are our last two boards to make them all same.
What are you working with here? And what is this? This is a planer?
Yes, sir.
A DeWalt planer?
Yep.
And when you're about to feed that through, right? And you've got Tommy on the other side that's catching it. Okay.
Yeah, it's a self-feeder, so once it engages the blades, it starts pulling itself through.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep. So let's check it out. So you saw all that fuzzy that was on it is now gone, smooth.
Yep.
Yeah. You're actually basically taking a top layer off when you're planing it, right?
Yes, sir.
I mean, it's taking a certain portion and smoothing it.
Little at a time.
Yeah.
We probably ran both of these boards through about 4 or 5 times a piece.
Yeah, just to get it smooth.
Taking seconds off at a time.
Now, what type of wood is this?
Cypress.
Cypress?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's
And cypress is pretty strong.
Yeah, it's a hard wood, so we got to go real slow with it because those blades will get toasted pretty quick.
So there are difference between softwoods and hardwoods, right?
Yeah, so cedar would be your softwood. It's one of the softest, and then maple would probably be one of your hardest woods.
Yeah.
Minus teak.
Yeah.
I think teak's pretty up there on the...
Yeah.
For safety reasons, I like to shut it off before I lower it down. It's
Yeah.
good procedure, and I'm just doing the...
So what are you actually lowering down with that wheel?
I'm lowering down the blades, probably about a 30-second each time.
Yeah.
Because how hard this
So
wood
in
is.
there's a blade that drops down.
There should be 3 blades.
Okay. So you drop them down using that wheel.
Yep.
And then this right here
Is your
goes
gauge.
up and down too, correct?
Yep.
So as you're winding that wheel, can you demonstrate kind of what that looks like to wind the wheel and watch the gauge move?
It's not very...
It's subtle, right? Because you're talking 30 seconds, or what do you...
Yeah, 30 seconds. So I'm going to go back to my original spot for what I had already set.
Yeah.
But it's just a hair every time. Wow. Because how hard this wood. If it was softer wood, I'd be a little bit more aggressive.
This right here is going to turn into columns.
And it's supposed to be getting stained, so it's going to be really pretty.
We're going to go from this. Follow and subscribe for more.